Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Blue from Rainbow Friends. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw eye socket. Draw eye as X shape. Draw mouth. Draw tongue. Draw crown. Draw a rectangle for the body length. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.